Hello everyone, my name is Bryliant PZ
And I'm DF Marsya.
So right now we're gonna talk about on how to turn on Scoopy with remote.
Yeah.
Check this out. First we need to find where is the motorcycle.
So we're gonna press this button like this. Oh, it's over there.
Let's go. Okay guys, so today we will demonstrate how to start engine in Scoopy with remote. So first thing first, we need to press the key button on the remote until it turns green. And next, we need to press the start button. Then turn the lever until it points to the power logo. Ready to go.
So after the light is green, we need to push this button first, and then we go like this. And for this, it's the seat button. We need to press this, and it's on. Yeah.
Remote.
We just need to press this. Yeah, just go like that. And we press the button until it turns red.
All done. Yep. Potong kuenya sekarang juga. Sekarang juga. Sekarang juga. guys, we just go back from
So
the
we're
LTC.
going home.
Going Unires. We just go back from the LTC class, so
We gotta find our motorcycle.
Oh my God. Oh my god! We found it easily!
Just to remind you how to start the Scoopy engine, we gotta repeat the step. First is press this button until it turns green. And then we press this, and yeah, that's it.
Harder! So this is the sign when the Scoopy is ready to start engine. Just start again. Hi guys, so right now we're gonna ask someone for their opinion about the Scoopy remote, whether is it effective or not. Let's go! Oh my god guys, let's see. There's Gibran. Let's ask for his opinion. Come on.
Hello. I wanna ask you something. Do you know about Scoopy remote?
Oh yeah, no, all my family use it.
Okay. So what do you think about this? Is this effective or not?
Yeah, I think it's effective. It's also innovative
Why?
because you don't need to bring this kind of key anywhere. If you lose it, then you can't run your motorcycle. But
Yeah.
this, you have the feature, the special feature, and alarm. Is it?
Yeah.
This is very effective.
Okay.
And for the negative?
The negative is if we can lose it without we know it, because if we lost it in near from the motorcycle, we will not know, really will not know that it is lost.
Okay, thank you Gibran.
Yeah,
Dadah.